a student using Studiosity for the first time?
Okay, of course. If someone is using Studiosity for the first time, I would give three particular suggestions. First, don't upload a blank or unfinished draft. It's better to finish your own ideas, analyze, and arguments first. Then Studiosity can give more useful and specific feedback. Second, read all the commands carefully, but don't copy every suggestion without thinking. Sometimes the suggestions may not fit your subject or research area. Just like my experience with chikungunya research, you need to decide which advice is useful for your own essay. And third, don't only focus on the grammar. Maybe the grammar is very important, but the feedback about the logical and critical thinking is even more helpful, and it can really improve your automatic writing in the long term. Overall, I would say treat Studiosity as a review that helps inspire you, not as a tool that automatically fixes your or paper.
Mm. Okay, thank you for your advice. No, I believe
You're
that
welcome.
it is very useful for other students to follow. Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Now,
It's my pleasure to